Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to edit your sales pipeline in Pipedrive? This tutorial will walk you through the steps to modify stages and new stages and organize your pipeline for better sales tracking. Follow along to streamline your pipeline management. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Right after that, click on login and you will be able to open this page. Go ahead, and for this video we are going to be guided by a specific article by Pipedrive Help Center. So let's go through it. How can I customize my pipeline stages? Note, this action is only available to users with deals admin permissions. So let's go ahead. Pipedrive comes with a basic sales pipeline that outlines a straightforward sales flow. As deals move throughout these stages, you are given a visual overview of where your items are in the sales process. However, you can add stages and customize the titles of those stages, creating a pipeline unique to your sales process. So, you can also set up multiple pipelines with their own unique stages. Now, here we have tips on how to come up with stages for your company. Use the past and defined tense, for example, meeting agreed instead of just meeting. Create stages that correspond to the customer's buying process. What would their buying process look like? What has to happen in order to them to buy from you? And revise your stages later. If some stages seem confusing, you can rename them, delete them, or add new ones for clarity. Now, how can we edit your pipeline? You simply have to go to Pipeline View and click the pencil icon to the right pipeline name. So let's go here, and as you can see, we are now on the pipelines, which basically on the deals, and here you can find the pipelines and you can edit the pipelines. So I can click on this one and basically I can move it around or even delete it. Once you feel like this one has to be adjusted, you can literally just change the name of it. You can go right here onto the name and change it. For example, let's try to combine these stages to make a deal process. Let's start by deleting all of these pipelines by going to here and delete stages, like that. Delete stage. Let's click here, delete stage, delete stage, delete stage, and this is the last one. So we can delete the last one, so I'm gonna start with it. The first thing is, by having a deal, is to actually propose a deal. Now after that, I'm going to click and save changes. So this is the first thing. Now let me just delete these informations that are included in here. We could move them to another place. So here, let's create a new pipeline. Let's go and make a new one. This is like a new one, so we can go ahead right here, name this one, for example, propose deal. This one, for example, contact customer. So deal idea, contacts, or here propose deal, propose deal, customer negotiation, starting the production, and here, for example, delivery. Save changes, and as you can see, we have now a full pipeline that we have created ourselves. Now for this deal, we can create here and add the information about the client itself. So we can here add contact person. For example, you can write his name. So for example, Suarez Lopez, and we can here, for example, add its name. For example, this is the organization name. Here value, for example, I'm gonna add here USD, and the value, for example, $10,000. Let's add it to the new pipeline that we have created. Here, add labels. We can add a label. Deal for car elements. Save. And we can add other informations if they are necessary. Like phone number. We can add like a phone number. There will be no problem. Let me just get like a fake one real quick. Let's go here. Let's copy this one and paste it right here. Work. Let's call it mobile. And yeah, let's keep it as it is and save it. And now look how it seems. Schedule an activity. We can add here an activity into it. For example, deal idea. We can manage a call meeting, and this meeting will be, for example, with like the person from the other company, so we can propose this idea. Now once the meeting is approved, we can move this one to the step where we are going to propose the idea itself. Once the idea is proposed, we are going to move it to customer negotiation, where we are going to negotiate this deal with the other company. Once it is done and the idea is basically accepted, if there was any prices or changes in the deal, we can have here the changes, so you can click here and change the price of it. If it went up, that's good. If it's down, I mean, it depends on negotiation. Then you can simply click here one in case you want like this deal and you have made basically money from it. So as you can see here, we have it, and once you click on you have won, that means that the idea or the deal that we have made is basically created, and you have made money, and you will find it here. So you will find here an analytics, basically I think on project or activities. Even here, yeah, even in activities you will find a couple of informations, like if you called something, if you called someone, if you've done anything, you will have the information there. And here we have the insights, where we have like every sale, everything that we sold. You will have the money that you sold, how much money you have made in the last days, and a lot of information that could be very initial. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can customize and edit your pipeline in Pipedrive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I try to cover the basics and basically try to make it as simple as possible. And so if you have guys any more questions or problems, make sure to leave them below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.